So yeah, here at Hobby Lobby, we're gonna get ready and go in, and I'm gonna start a new series on basically your basics for getting started with stained glass, what you'll need. And here at Hobby Lobby now, they're selling these little kits that you can buy. They're little stained glass kits, so I thought that I would get a couple of those and we can put them together and see if stained glass is something for you. And if it is, then I'll show you guys, some of the other things you might want to look into getting after you decide that it's something that you really like. So let's go ahead on in and get our supplies. Okay, so we are back home. We have our kits right here. I saw that somebody put this, I'm sorry about the glare, put this cardinal one together online already. Not that I'm not going to do it. I'm still going to do it. I'm going to show you guys also when we're done just doing the basics here. I'd like to show you guys maybe some little extra things that I would do or put on the pieces to make them a little bit nicer. But it's a good beginner craft. They're both $20. I don't know if you can see that. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with this one. So on the back, hopefully that's better with the glare, we have our 20 pieces of assorted pre-cut stained glass. So this is nice. You don't have to worry about cutting it or grinding it. This is just a very basic starter kit. Oh, it's got the jump rings, the metal chain. It's got copper foil tape, gel flux, solder. Ooh, it even comes with solder. The flux brush, the burnishing tool, pattern sheet, and instruction sheet. So let's go ahead. I know there's something else in there. Oh, whoops. Oh, that must be our flux. Yeah, our flux. What do they give you? Oh, they give you a gel. That's good. Okay. So they give you a okay amount of solder. Good enough for this job, I'm sure. Okay, so we have our burnishing tool and our flux brush. See the glass. Here's our copper foil. Here's our little chain. Here's our pattern. Cute little pattern. And here's our instructions. Okay. our pre-cut pieces. Okay, so let's take our pieces out. Okay, so I tacked it down. You could tape it down. This is just a sheet of drywall that I use for my work surface with stained glass. And the nice thing about it is you can flip it when it gets all nasty on the one side, so you get a couple uses out of it.